Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This may be your second video of mine tonight. If so, thank you so much. Make sure you go like both of them. Tonight's video, videos, whatever. We're talking about the Jeffree Star Halloween 2021 mystery boxes. We're doing some spoilers, it's that time. So I just filmed my premium, now we're doing deluxe. So I'm gonna try to get the videos up at the same time. I just don't know which one's gonna come first. So whatever my Wi-Fi wants to do is what's gonna happen. So yeah, that's what we're gonna be talking about today. Thank you so much for being here. If you like these spoiler kind of videos, make sure you give it a like. It really helps out my channel. It'll help push the video out to other people who also like these videos. And if you wouldn't hate to see my face again, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Okay, let's go ahead and get into the spoilers, y'all. I personally have not picked up boxes yet. I just might after filming these videos. I don't know, I haven't decided. I didn't because I just traveled to Tennessee to see my friend Connor, who I had so much fun. I miss her already. So I've spent a lot of money this month already. I got some tattoos. So I refrained. We'll see if that sticks. Anyway, so these spoilers I got from my subscriber Grace as well as Connor. So make sure, I get so many DMs, so make sure you DM me guys of like the variations you get so that I can let the world know. But yeah, so thank you to Grace and to Connor, and let's get into the deluxe spoilers. So I'm just gonna say that at this point I might be purchasing a deluxe box. I liked the premium as well, and you can watch that video obviously whenever it goes live. It'll be linked or whatever. But I think this is the box that might get me, which is the one I was considering in the first place. So let's just get into it. So first of all, let's talk about what's in every box, which is the Weirdo palette. We know this already. Jeffree told us this. So if you did get multiple boxes, you are getting multiples of this palette. Some people might be annoyed by that. Some people might not. I know some people save up to get these boxes and buy all of them so they can get as many products as possible for a discount. So they might be frustrated that they're getting the same item. I personally think it's fine that he does that because these boxes aren't meant for every single person to get all of them. You know what I mean? So anyway, the first item is the Weirdo palette, like I said, which I think is exciting. I like the color story. I think it's very Halloween. It's very Jeffree. It's very like reminiscent and nostalgic. So I think that's pretty cool. Then moving on, we have, this is also in the premium, so let's get this out of the way first. We have, which is one of the exclusive spooky items, which is the Witch's Brew Lip Scrub. If anyone knows what flavor this is in, let us know in the comments, because Witch's Brew does not give much away. It is green, so I'm assuming like a green apple, green candy kind of vibe since it's Halloween, but we don't know. And then moving on, this is another exclusive item. This is so freaking cool and cute. It is a, I can't quite tell if it's like a fanny pack or a purse or a cosmetic bag, but a bat bag. Super cute, super Halloween. It's black. I love it. Really freaking cute. This is like itching me, as if I literally have a whole stack of makeup bags, y'all, that I don't even use half the time. But like, oh, I just have a problem with them. I don't know. And then we also have the Diet Shane Lip Balm. Some people do not care for lip balms. I'm kind of about it, but I did actually like the last one we got, which was like a tinted one. I actually like the formula a lot, so to each your own. Next we have a Velvet Trap lipstick in Dominatrix, which is like a super vampy brownie kind of red, which is perfect for fall. It's not a super weird color. Obviously, it's more wearable, but it's like a deep fall color. So I definitely like that. And then we also have a liquid lip in Unicorn Blood, which, spoiler alert, is what I'm wearing. And I love this. This is a cult fave. I like that he puts these in the boxes for sure because everyone can use red. You know what I mean? We want nudes, we want weird colors, we want reds. We just want it all. We want it all. But it's definitely cool to see cult faves of the brand in these boxes because it proves that he's not just selling the stuff or putting the stuff that doesn't sell in here. He does a variety of everything, which I appreciate, and you should too as a consumer. Then we have a lip gloss. This isn't a Supreme gloss, a regular lip gloss in the shade 6 Feet Under, which was from his cremated collection. If I remember correctly, this is like a clear with silver sparkles. I'll try to find a picture online. But yeah, so we're getting a lip gloss. Obviously the Weirdo palette, like I said. And then these are some very exciting items, okay? Which is kind of why I saved them for last, okay? We have the Mini Nudes Lip Bundle, which is crazy. And then Grace also mentioned that it is the Blue Blood Lip Vault. I don't know exactly the difference between the two, but looks like we have variations of the lip vault, which is super exciting. Lip vaults alone, amazing, incredible, love that so much. But he didn't just put one in there, there's variations, so that's super exciting. And then we have the Blood Sugar palette. This goes back to me talking about unicorn blood. Okay, I think Blood Sugar is his all-time best-selling palette. That, like, I remember when that came out, that, I mean, his brand was established. That palette elevated his brand like nothing else has. I literally, like, he said that. So that's seriously so exciting that that's in the box. And I actually never got that palette, and that's why I'm really tempted to get this box amongst the other items in it. I've always wanted that palette and I just haven't bit the bullet yet. So it'd be a good opportunity for me to get some new goodies, including that at a wicked discounted price. So I'm tempted. It also would pair really well with the Weirdo palette, so I don't know. I'm very intrigued, but I do love that palette. It is a cult favorite palette. I've always wanted it, and I think that's really cool. It also is very fitting of the theme for Halloween. Excuse my nasal voice, oh my god. And then the last item is an exclusive t-shirt. Usually in his bigger boxes, he does an exclusive merch item that's like a t-shirt or a hoodie. He's done sweatsuits in the past, or jumpsuits, whatever you want to call them. But yeah, so this is a black t-shirt with like a purple spiderweb kind of pattern. Super cute. I loved the last t-shirt that he did too, the black and orange like tie-dye. So I really like this t-shirt. I think it's cool. I think it's awesome that you get an exclusive like a merch style item in there. And yeah, so like overall, I think this is a pretty good box. Okay, I'm back in the middle now so that I'm not just over here for the rest of the video. But yeah, I think this box is pretty exciting. Like, I think this is one of the boxes that I've been most excited about probably since he started this, to be honest. Like, I really like the products in there. I think it's a good variety of like neutral and Halloween and fall, a good variety of lip products, eye products, merch, that kind of stuff. The exclusive items are really fun. So I'm really tempted to buy this. I don't know about you guys. I'll let you know. I always like kind of update you guys on Instagram and Twitter, like if I do end up buying them and my giveaways and stuff. And if I do purchase them and do a giveaway, I do a dedicated YouTube video to that. So if you are interested in that, then make sure you are subscribed and hit the notification bell. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and edit and upload this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope I see you in my next one. Bye guys!